Welcome back to the channel, tool lovers. Today, we've got a special treat for all you DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. We're diving into some of the most innovative and powerful tools that will take your projects to the next level in 2024. From the Mita cordless router to the Worcester Pelicans, we've got everything you need to make your work easier, faster, and more precise. Whether you're looking for the versatility of a cordless screwdriver, the precision of a laminate cutter, or the power of the Blower Pro, this video has it all. Plus, we've got some game changers like the panel carrier for heavy lifting and the pressing toolkit for seamless assembly. Not to mention the ruler system, designed to give you laser-accurate measurements, and the GRR-Ripper for ultimate cutting safety. So grab your coffee, sit back, and let's explore these must-have tools that will revolutionize the way you work. Let's jump in. Looking for a powerful and efficient way to get clean, smooth edges on your projects? The Mita cordless router is here to revolutionize your woodworking. With its cordless design, you can easily maneuver around any workspace without being restricted by cords. Whether you're trimming, edging, or hollowing out wood, this router delivers precise results. It features adjustable depth settings for custom cuts and an ergonomic handle for maximum comfort. The long-lasting battery lets you work for hours, making this a must-have tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Upgrade your projects with the Mita cordless router today. Say goodbye to the hassle of cords and hello to efficiency with the cordless screwdriver. This compact tool offers unmatched power and versatility for any task, whether it's assembling furniture or installing shelves. The adjustable torque settings give you precise control over each screw, and the lightweight design makes it easy to use for extended periods. Its long-lasting battery means you can power through your projects without interruption. If you're looking for a reliable tool that saves time and effort, the cordless screwdriver is a game changer for all your DIY and professional needs. Say goodbye to the hassle of cords and hello to efficiency with the cordless screwdriver. This compact tool offers unmatched power and versatility for any task, whether it's assembling furniture or installing shelves. The adjustable torque settings give you precise control over each screw, and the lightweight design makes it easy to use for extended periods. Its long-lasting battery means you can power through your projects without interruption. If you're looking for a reliable tool that saves time and effort, the cordless screwdriver is a game changer for all your DIY and professional needs. Need help transporting large panels with ease? The panel carrier is designed to make moving heavy sheets of wood, drywall, and other materials a breeze. With its sturdy design and adjustable width, it can securely hold various panel sizes while distributing the weight evenly. reducing strain on your body. The comfortable grips make carrying heavy loads a lot easier, and the simple design ensures effortless use. Whether you're working in a workshop or on a construction site, the panel carrier helps you save time and effort in transporting your materials. The ROAIRVAC R32 is an essential tool for anyone working with air conditioning or refrigeration systems. This high-performance vacuum pump offers incredible power and efficiency in evacuating refrigerant lines. Designed for quick and reliable performance, it ensures your systems are properly evacuated, minimizing the risk of contamination. The R32 is lightweight yet durable, making it ideal for professionals on the go. Whether you're servicing AC units or working on large refrigeration systems, the ROAIRVAC R32 provides the reliability and speed you need to get the job done right the first time. Looking for a powerful cutting tool that guarantees precision every time? The ROCUT UKS 160 is the cutting solution you've been waiting for. Its robust design ensures it can handle tough materials with ease, from metal to wood. The easy-to-use features allow for smooth cuts, while the adjustable settings give you full control over your cutting depth. Whether you're working on a construction project or doing DIY repairs, the ROCUT UKS 160 delivers reliable sharp cuts without the hassle. Make your next project easier and faster with the ROCUT UKS 160. For quick cleanups and maximum efficiency, look no further than the Blower Pro. This high-powered blower is perfect for clearing debris from your workspace or garden. The adjustable settings allow you to control airflow for different tasks, whether you're clearing dust off machinery, leaves from the yard, or debris from your car. Its lightweight design makes it easy to maneuver, while the long-lasting battery ensures you can work uninterrupted. Whether you need to clean a workshop, yard, or garage, the Blower Pro makes it faster and easier than ever. EDMA Powerprofil. For professional-grade profiling, the EDMA Powerprofil is the ultimate tool. Designed for precision, this tool allows you to easily create perfect profiles on edges and corners. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort even during long hours of use, while its powerful motor delivers fast, smooth results. Whether you're working with wood, laminate, or drywall, the EDMA Powerprofil's adjustable depth settings provide flexibility for various applications. Perfect for both professional contractors and DIY enthusiasts, this tool helps you achieve flawless edges every time. The right tool bag makes all the difference, and the tool bag is designed for ultimate organization and convenience. Featuring multiple pockets and compartments, this bag ensures that every tool has its place, making it easy to find what you need when you need it. The durable, high-quality material can withstand wear and tear, even on the toughest job sites. Plus, the comfortable shoulder strap and carry handles make it easy to transport, whether you're working indoors or outdoors. Stay organized and efficient with the tool bag, your new favorite tool companion. The Roughneck Gorilla is the heavy-duty tool that's built to tackle the toughest tasks. Whether you're lifting, prying, or working with large materials, this tool offers unmatched strength and durability. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort and ease of use, while the strong steel construction guarantees longevity. Ideal for professionals in construction or heavy-duty industries, the Roughneck Gorilla handles tough jobs with ease. When you need a tool that won't let you down, the Roughneck Gorilla is the ultimate choice for getting the job done right. Make your tasks easier and more precise with the pressing toolkit. Designed for applications requiring powerful compression, this toolkit includes everything you need to press, assemble, and disassemble components with accuracy. Whether you're working with fittings, bearings, or gaskets, this kit ensures that all parts are pressed securely, avoiding damage. Its heavy-duty construction ensures it can handle even the toughest materials. If you want fast, reliable results with every pressing task, the pressing toolkit is a must-have for any workshop. Cutting with precision just became easier with the GRR-Ripper. This innovative tool ensures that your cuts are straight, safe, and secure, offering superior control while keeping your hands away from the blade. Perfect for both professionals and DIYers, the GRR-Ripper helps you make accurate cuts on table saws, router tables, and more. The adjustable arms and non-slip grip give you full control, while the durable build ensures long-lasting performance. Whether you're cutting wood, plastic, or other materials, the GRR-Ripper makes your cuts cleaner, safer, and more precise every time. The ruler system is an advanced tool designed to bring precision and efficiency to your measuring tasks. It features built-in laser guides and a digital display, ensuring accurate measurements every time you use it. Whether you're working on detailed drawings, DIY projects, or professional tasks, this smart ruler adapts to various needs with customizable settings. Its lightweight and durable design make it perfect for artists, engineers, or anyone who needs reliable measurements on the go. The ruler system makes it easier to achieve perfect results without the hassle of guesswork or miscalculations, making it an essential addition to any workspace. The Worcester Pelicans are a breakthrough in painting tools, offering unmatched comfort and precision for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. These brushes are designed with ergonomic handles and unique bristle technology, allowing for smooth, even application of paint without streaks. The high-capacity bristles hold more paint, reducing the need for frequent dipping and speeding up the job. Whether you're tackling a large project or fine details, the Worcester Pelicans ensure consistent results and a flawless finish. Their innovative design makes them ideal for any painting task, enhancing your experience with comfort and efficiency. Alright, that wraps up today's look at some of the coolest, most innovative tools you need in your workshop in 2024. From the powerful Mita cordless router to the game-changing Worcester Pelicans, we hope you're as excited as we are about these awesome gadgets that make your work easier and more efficient. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear which tools you're adding to your toolkit. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews and tool demos. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy building and stay sharp.